Just in case you forgot what it's like winter, it's cold. I think the temperature is around -8, so it's not that bad. But I thought I'd let you see for yourself exactly what winter is like. Remember? There's a house. As you can see, lots of nice little snow. Lots of shoveling too. This is the driveway. This morning was kind of full of stuff, that white stuff. Our stairs this morning were completely covered with snow. Oh well, what can I say? And as you can see, has all been dug out up to the front door. Oh well. Anyway, it's kind of cold, so I think I'll head back inside. Don't you wish you were here and not in sunny Florida, or wherever you might be?